So I am thrilled and excited to share a story today, a little experiment with a very good friend. I hope I can call you that. We work together, Charlotte, Miley, and I, and now she's looking for a new opportunity. So, Charlotte, we're going to push this out across LinkedIn and see if we can get some good likes and shares and traction for you. But I know you're a performance marketer. Now, that can mean different things to different people. So, in your own words, what do you do?
Performance marketing is something that I really found to love. And it is, direct response marketing. So we're talking about e-commerce, social advertising, where you're not just going for engagement, but you're going for direct conversion right away. So, day zero purchase, see ad, click, purchase. So it is often mostly prospecting. You can have a full funnel with that of, multiple interactions and things like that. But really what performance marketing is to have immediate traction and immediate new customers. So it's very action based.
Yeah, what I saw you do was phenomenal. I mean, you took our company and in a very short period of time, you were putting numbers up, you were getting direct conversion, you built a team. I
Mhm.
mean, it was pretty fast and furious, and all from your home, which was, pretty amazing. So what got you started in performance marketing? I mean, what's your background? Has it always been health and fitness and wellness and that sort of thing?
Yeah, so I was always into, fitness and sports and dance and all those sort of things coming up. And so health and wellness has always been a big part of my life in general. And then about 4 years ago, I actually ended up breaking my back. And that just brought a whole new perspective around health and wellness because it was a really extreme injury, had to do a surgery. I mean, it was this huge prolonged thing. And I needed so much help, from the health and wellness industry, right? Doctors can take you so far and then you have to get yourself the rest of the way. And I found just how important it was to have all of these different, products available, and just really refocused on health and wellness like 3 times over since then, and have worked with some health and wellness companies in direct response performance marketing. And it's really, made it more impactful and more special with that vision alignment with those companies.
Yeah,
So
that's cool. I mean, it almost sounds like it's not just work for you, it's really a passion as well. It's really
yeah.
meaningful.
Yeah. And it's really important with performance marketing, you know, for the vision alignment, because it's not just, pardon my French here, it's not just bullshit. I actually give a damn about the product and the people and the purpose. So, that vision alignment makes the ads and products a lot easier to sell.
Yeah, and what I was amazed with, it wasn't just like an ad or a get to know you, or you kind of mentioned this already, but you're really converting that person. It's like right time, right person, right place. Like you somehow through data and through science and through I don't know what magic, figure out like how to get in front of that person at the right time. That's amazing.
Yeah, performance marketing is really important because it's social, it's digital, it's today, you're really competing in the absolute current day. So being native, feeling like you're suspending their disbelief, so they're not necessarily feeling like they're being preached to in an ad, but by the time they realize an ad, they've already been convinced and realize that they need it, right? So it's definitely kind of a razor edge. You don't want to be obnoxiously an ad, but you want to meet them where they're at with content that is helpful to them and benefits their life. And then, from there you get the sell and then the conversion. So yes.
Well, and it's my understanding you've done that as a leader, like as an individual, but you've also significantly built departments, teams, like you get an organization to break through whatever level that they're at, right? So you could be a startup all the way to like just wanting to break through that next $1 million mark, you're kind of the right person to make that happen.
Definitely. Performance marketing and a good performance marketing team and strategy really can help, take businesses to the next level, very literally, or break through a plateau. I've really been able to come in and transform businesses, like at Metabolic, where we were at, increased ROAS by 50% while also tripling spend. So both of those things, the more money you put behind it, the harder it is to maintain KPIs. So, doubling KPIs as well as tripling ad spend definitely was a lot of muscle. We had a great team, definitely built up the team to support that, and had the process implementation needed to also, support $3 million of ad spend on digital and social. So, definitely really proud of the time there.
That's a huge impact in a short period of time. That's pretty significant. So then, as you look forward, what does the next great thing look like? Like, if you could describe either the product or the service or the culture, or, what is a perfect fit for you to go knock it out of the park again?
Yeah, I would say what I'm looking for is health and wellness, like disruptor, do-gooder type companies that have multiple SKUs, that are looking to, break into or cross the threshold that they've been struggling to cross, probably with a couple of rounds of funding, and basically creating the team that they need to make the difference, or get over that finish line that they're looking to get over.
That is awesome. So we're going to wrap this up so people that are watching it can reach out to you directly. So do you have an email? Do you have LinkedIn? Or like, what's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
Yeah, my email is my last name, first name at Gmail. So miley.charlotte@gmail.com. Really great way to contact me, or also through LinkedIn messages. Also really active there too.
Okay, cool. And if there's one thing that you could hang your hat on, that's like, why should somebody reach out to you? Like, what is it that you bring to the table, or what is it that the company needs that is going to distinguish you from all the other applicants and anybody else out there? No use talking to anybody else. You should talk to Charlotte. What would that be?
I would say my unique ability with the left brain, right brain. So yes, I bring the creative muscle and the strategy, but I also bring the data analytics and the organization and the ability to build a department. So really taking both of those pieces and putting it together is something that I really shine with for companies.
Cool. Well, I'm going to add one more thing to that. All those things are true. And you are just freaking amazing, like an amazing, I won't say a workhorse, because it wasn't about being a workhorse, but you made things happen. Like, you got things to stick. You put the puzzle pieces together. It was pretty incredible. So I certainly wish you the very best. I hope that lots of people will see this, share this, like this, comment on it, and get the word out there. And I can't wait to see what next grand thing you knock out of the park.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Jason.
Thanks.